Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks again so much for stopping by. You guys saw we just put a box on the tailgate. This is going to be Mrs. Truckmaster's very, very early Christmas present. So we already opened the box. I already looked at it off camera. I couldn't wait. Sometimes I just get too excited about things. However, guys, we'll talk about what this is right now, okay? This is traction bars for the Wife Max, and this is from HSP Diesel. Before I open this box right here, it's been powder coated, and you guys probably can guess what color that is. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and pop that hood right now and show you guys what color is underneath.
Well, they've seen that plenty of times.
Yeah, but for you new subscribers, some of you guys that just stop in, we'll show you guys the color of this, and it's called Illusion Violet, and it's going to look killer with these traction bars on this truck right here. Let me show you something really quick while she's opening the hood. As you guys can see, I already have traction bars on my truck right here, and I'll explain to you guys why. We're going to go ahead and take this truck on a test drive today, and I'm going to jam a camera right underneath the bottom of this truck, right somewhere by the frame. Maybe I'll mount a camera, and I'll show you guys exactly why we're doing this modification. One thing in particular, it's called axle wrap, and you guys are going to see it because I'm going to go ahead and get on it a little bit and show you guys what that axle looks like. Because if you think about it, when you punch it, like basically when you get on it really hard, the axle is actually going to sort of lift up a little bit, and that's why they call it wrap, because that leaf spring right there sort of wraps itself in with the axle. Best modification ever to avoid that problem is, of course, getting traction bars, and really love HSP stuff. You guys know that. So Mrs. Truckmaster just popped the hood, and as you can see, we were fully outfitted, of course, with the HSP full bundle kit here. Use that coupon code Truckmaster. It's going to save you guys 5% on anything HSP Diesel on their website. And again, I'm going to say it right now, I get paid zero money for saying that whatsoever. Okay, it's really cool when it can help somebody else out. That's kind of the beauty of my channel right here, is anytime I work with a company or do a video on their products, I always ask them if we can get some coupon codes for you guys. So that's why I always talk about it. So she's cleaning it up because it's dirty. It's really dirty.
And last time we popped it, it was filthy too.
Yeah, it looked, we didn't clean it since then. Looks good though. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get right into it.
You ready?
I am ready.
My box that has rubber all over it. I wonder who that's from.
Burnout. Did a burnout on the box.
On the box or at the box?
Well, the box was closed. We did a garage burnout, and some of the stuff kicked on here. No big deal. That's on you. Set a blanket up here because I don't want to scratch any of this. Oh man, you guys already see it. This is gonna look sweet. Check it out. What do you think, Melanie?
I love it. Looks awesome.
And let's go ahead and get all this unwrapped. Let's just do this right now. Okay, here we go, guys. Now, I'm not going to explain to you guys exactly what size bars you will need for your truck because it varies so much. As a matter of fact, contact HSP, get with John, he'll tell you, or Ryan. Those guys know their stuff. These traction bars are custom powder coated to exactly the same exact color as this Illusion Violet that we have under the hood. So that's the theme that we're catching here. Oh yeah, we got to match this up. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Identical. Man, this is so cool. I cannot wait to get these installed. So you guys let me know what you think about the traction bars. Again, I have them for this rig right here. They are red. They match the paint coat. Now, this is a white truck, and Mrs. Truckmaster wants this truck to stay white. So with that being said, it's going to look really good with the traction bars, those purple traction bars right underneath there, once we actually get them installed. And then the other thing that we were talking about was possibly wrapping the rims, maybe even partial spokes of it being Illusion Violet as well. But I just think, I don't know, it's your call.
I was thinking along the lines of something that you could like easily peel off. If we
like a wrap. Too easy. Yeah. We could definitely do that. As a matter of fact, guys, I have the wrap for it. I just haven't done it to the wheels yet. Oh, we're getting a different set of wheels. If you guys didn't watch that video, they sent me wheels for, I believe, a Ford. I think it's for a Ford. Yeah. And we use custom spacers in order to fit these wheels on. But Anthem wheels, they're going to send me another set of rims. They're going to match this. And then we're going to do something special with these. I'm not too sure yet. We may be doing a giveaway with these plus the tires, or we may be putting that on a future build.
What I was thinking is that we could try out that wrap thing with these wheels to see if I like it.
Yeah, a bullet antenna. Maybe a bullet antenna.
Oh yes, we need to do that. And then we're gonna do some illusion violet look on here. We need to get to that. That should be easy.
Yeah, that's too easy. Getting a different bumper for this truck. We just don't know which bumper we're gonna go with yet. One thing I'll let you know though, we are not going with this trail-ready off-road bumper style look. We just want something clean and sleek looking.
Yeah, I want something like more of a sporty look, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Not too heavy and like just, I don't want it to cover up the Chevy emblem or anything like that because I like the grill showing. So.
Well, show them your nasty, gross interior.
I think they've seen that, haven't they?
I think so, I think not. I don't know.
Oh, it's nasty. So there's no carpet. It's just
Rubber?
Yeah, just rubber. The seats are just disgusting. They need to be washed or scrubbed.
And this right here, check this out. It's broke, so.
Yeah, that's broken. Was it broken before you touched it, or did you break it?
No, I think it was broken when we bought the truck.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna replace that.
And then
it's just nasty.
It's dirty in here. It needs a facelift.
What I'm thinking, guys, I'm thinking about doing the entire interior. I'm gonna rip everything out. I've never done that on the channel where I did a full interior video. Now, I did do that. I showed how to remove seats and all that, but I've never actually done it to where, you know, it'll look almost showroom, and that's kind of what I want to do with her truck. I'd like to do something really nice like that eventually, probably really soon too. A trailer in the backyard that I need to move. As a matter of fact, Mrs. Truckmaster, if you can fire your truck up, we'll hook up to that trailer and we'll back it up. You remember how to back up, right?
Okay, yeah.
Stay tuned, watch till the end of this video because like I said, we're gonna jam a camera underneath that truck and I'll go ahead and goose it kind of hard for you too so you can see what the axle wrap actually looks like. Matter of fact, check this out. Truck pack.
Diesel
Got
magazine.
Diesel magazine.
Spot remover.
Awesome.
Ooh. And
what's this? This is cool. Look at that. Bullet valve caps. How cool is that? That's neat.
Oh, you need this shirt.
Yeah, unfortunately, guys, I always keep the shirts because, you know, I wear size baby gap and it'll probably not fit you.
And this is totally your shirt.
Skilled enough to take it apart, talented enough to modify it, brave enough to drive it. Yes!
That's totally you.
I'll leave all this stuff in a package for you. I'm going to pick someone at random. First 20 orders that I receive, I will pick someone at random and I'll just drop that right in your actual order that you purchased. So, awesome. And not only that, if you purchase something on the website, it'll get you guys automatic entries to win our fully restored GMC Duramax, the patriotic themed Duramax that we're trying to raise money for as well to give back to the Wounded Warrior Project on that. So good luck to everybody. Ends December 9th. So let's go ahead and fire up this Duramax. Here's the old equipment trailer. It's been sitting here for a while. Put it in reverse. And then put it in park. Turn it off. Wow, good job.
That wasn't too bad. That should be good, right?
Yeah, a little more. Last time I checked, we were at like 2,900 likes on that video that I said if you hit the like button and we can get to 300 likes, 3,000 likes, I'm sorry, we'll do a tug of war out here.
Ooh.
And
so we're getting close?
We're getting very close, so thank you guys so much for hitting that like button. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, it was the video, if you guys go to my uploads, where we pulled the bed off of the truck. I'll leave a link in it. No, it's the tuning video.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
It was a tuning video. I'll leave a link in the description. Click on it, hit the like button for me, if we can get it to 3,000 likes, then we will do a Tug of War, Old Red versus Wife Max. I think my truck will crush yours, even though you have more horsepower and you're faster and you have more traction, although Tug of War is a traction game.
I hope nothing breaks. That's all I hope.
But we'll see. We're not gonna do it on the pavement. We're gonna do it in our out here on the property. So we'll just do it in the. She's worried about kicking up rocks and mud. That's why she looked at me like that. I know her that well.
More space. We gotta find somewhere with more space.
More space.
Yeah, to do it.
It's the brackets for the axle that we're going to be installing, and this right here goes to the frame, so it's a direct bolt on. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to be using the existing U-bolts to install this. Just amazing weld quality, though. I actually watched these guys make these at the factory at HSP in Memphis, Michigan, actually, and their quality is just unbelievable. That's why I like working with them. These are the hind joints. They're greasable Zerks, which is really cool, and they're adjustable. So once I install everything, I'll be able to line everything up perfectly. Now, with that being said, I will be drilling 4 holes in the frame, 2 up here and then 2 down there. So sorry about that. That was pretty shaky and it was kind of hard to follow, but let me summarize what you saw there. If you looked at the leaf spring itself, when I got on it, you saw that the leaf spring sort of lifted up with the axle, with the rear end. So what those traction bars are designed to do is to keep you planted so that doesn't happen again. What I'm going to do, guys, I want you to stay tuned, and I want you guys to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. So you don't miss out on this next video that we're going to be posting. I'm going to be installing that, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to install these traction bars. But not only that, we're going to put the camera under there again and show you guys the before and after and show you why these are so beneficial. It's really just the rear end, the leaf springs, and the drive shaft with the U-bolts. Oh, and the shocks. That's it. Basically, that rear end is just hanging there with everything else attached to it, but not really attached to the frame. So that's what we're gonna try to do, guys, with those traction bars. We're actually gonna attach it to the frame. So you guys can't miss an episode, and stay tuned. We got a lot more stuff going on with the red truck and this truck, and possibly another build in the future. Maybe, we don't know. And good luck to everybody. December 9th, again, is the end of that contest to win the GMC fully restored Duramax. So thank you guys so much for your support. You guys keep me going. Stay awesome. Thanks, and take care.